Good morning, students. Last time we had done this exercise of A and the, fill in the blanks with A and the. I will again share the answer key today. Just verify your answers. There are certain changes like we did A here. Actually, the is also correct. If you write the spider, then also it's correct. Both the answers are correct. Then over here, we are writing the Vasant Kunj Youth Club where we had made a cross, right? Rest of the things are okay. I'll share an answer key, again a photograph of this today. So just verify your answers. We'll move on to the next exercise. Rewrite the following passages inserting a, an or the where necessary. Now they have given you the entire passage where they have not mentioned the articles. You have to mention the articles where necessary. So let us do first one. She is officer. She is an officer in the local branch of dash state of India, the State Bank of India, you will write. Her brother is an associate professor in one of the universities in North India. Now for these, write down the answers of the sentence directly with the articles mentioned. Do not write down the question and then write the answer. Don't waste your time in writing the question, right? Write down the answer directly. Now the next one, it is not easy to become Newton or Einstein. So it is what you will mention, it is not easy to become a Newton and an Einstein, because here it is telling you about a group of students, right? That is why we are mentioning the articles before them. But all of us can develop the scientific attitude necessary for progress. The scientific attitude. What kind of attitude? The scientific attitude. So it is particularly a kind of attitude which needs to be developed. That is why we are mentioning the before it, right? Then further, principal called meeting of staff to discuss data sheet. The principal called a meeting of the staff. Which staff which is there under that principal? She called that staff. That is why we have to mention the staff to discuss the date sheet, right? Because specifically we are talking about the staff and the sheet. They could not arrive at unanimous decision in meeting. They could not arrive at a unanimous. U is Y, right? So it is a vowel sound. That is why we are using a before it and not an. Please understand this. A unanimous decision in the meeting. Now the last one, the fourth one, I am writing to complain about stereo that I bought from your shop. I am writing to complain about a stereo that I bought from your shop on the 5th of July. Although the guarantee card says the piece has been inspected and tested in your factory, rewind and fast forward controls don't appear to be functioning. The rewind and fast forward controls don't appear to be functioning. Could you send mechanic at early date? A mechanic at an early date, because E is a vowel. Early date to carry out necessary repairs, the necessary repairs, right? I will again share a photograph of this along with the video, so that you can pause the video and write down, then check your answers. Now we shall move on the next exercise, that is exercise 3. The following sentences have 2 errors each. Rewrite them in their correct form. There are certain errors in each sentence. You have to correct the error. Traveling by the air is much faster than traveling by a train. Now by the air is wrong. Traveling by air is much faster than traveling by train, right? Here article is not needed, both the places. Then Amit is most talented student in the class, but teachers do not know that. Amit is the most talented student in the class, but the teachers don't know that. Amit's teachers, right? We are here talking about those teachers who teach Amit. That is why we mention the here. It's specific. Now, The brave men do not lose the heart even when they fail. So this is wrong. The is wrong here. Brave men, B will be capital here. Brave men do not lose, cut the here, heart even when they fail. There is no need to write an article here. Then sun is flaming ball of fire. The sun, because there is only one sun in the universe, right? We don't know any other sun. That is why we always mention the sun, the moon, that way. So the sun is a flaming ball of fire. Further, at the first sight, your painting seems to be the best. At first sight, the is not needed here. At first sight, your painting seems to be the best. The is required here. Now here, why the is required? Can you understand? Because best is a superlative degree. Good, better, best, we have studied in adjectives, right? So with any superlative, we always write the article the. That is why here we are mentioning the. Then further, more we get, more we want. Here also both the places we need the. The more we get, the more we want. Because we are specifically mentioning whatever we get. That is why we add the at both the places. Then Gandhiji has been described as greatest man of millennium. Gandhiji is a specific person, so we need to write the at both the places. The greatest man of the millennium. Then the entire political system needs to be changed from the top to the bottom. Now here both the places the is not needed. So it should be changed from top to bottom. Both the places cut out the. Now further, demonstratives. Demonstratives we have also learned earlier. Demonstratives मैंने आपको सिखाया था. This, that, these, those. This हम use करते हैं when we talk about a single object which is near us. That we talk about when we talk about a single object away from us. These we talk about more than one objects near us, and those we talk about when we talk about more than one objects away from us. Now let us read here. This and these refer to persons or object close by. Underline this point. This is used before singular nouns and these before plural nouns. Generally demonstratives वो होते हैं जो आप point out करते हो, finger से point out करते हो. Sentence में आपका pointing पता चलता है कि किसी चीज़ की तरफ इशारा करके आप बोल रहे हो. They are called demonstratives. You are demonstrating a direction or way by your talking. That is why they are called demonstratives. Right? This book contains all the information we need. Now here this book, ये book मेरे पास है, मेरे पास पड़ी है, तब मैं उसको this book बोल रही हूँ. अगर वो मुझसे दूर होगी तो मैं बोलूँगी that book. Now these flowers are for you. These flowers, they are more than one. That is why we use these. Right? Then next one is that and those refer to persons or objects. Refer to persons or objects at a distance. That is used before singular nouns and those before plural nouns. जैसे these, this और these का है, वैसे that and those का है. That car belongs to my father. Now that car वो हमसे थोड़ी दूर है, but it is a single car. So we are using that for it. अगर एक से ज़्यादा होती तो हम those बोलते. Those cars are for sale, right? So demonstratives are clear. Now I think there is an exercise. Let us do. Again, this and that can be. This and that can be used before the uncountables also. This food is not fit to be eaten. That rose bush bears beautiful pink roses. Right? Countable items के साथ भी हम लोग this, that use कर सकते हैं. Now fill in the blanks with this, that, these and those. This cricket team from Australia is not very strong. Cricket team from Australia is not very strong. We use this because we are talking about a single cricket team. It has promising players, but These players lack experience. Now this team has got promising players, but they lack experience. They are not familiar with the pitches. They are not familiar with the pitches in this country. The pitches in Australia are different. Those pitches are hard and bouncy. Which pitches? Those pitches are hard and bouncy. They favor fast bowling. Our pitches are made for spinners. People still remember the Australian team that travelled India a few years ago. Now we are talking about that Australian team. So we use that team was really great. It included Matthew Hayden and Adam Gilchrist. Dash two batsmen could tear apart any bowling. Now we are talking about these two batsmen. That is why we use those two batsmen. Now we stop here today. Possessives we will do next time.